Mechanical keyboards for typing and gaming are essential for tactile feedback, faster response, durability, precision, and an overall enhanced typing and gaming experience. My today's video is about top 5 best mechanical keyboard that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Redragon Mechanical Keyboard. The Redragon K671 mechanical gaming keyboard delivers a premium typing and gaming experience with its vibrant RGB backlighting and highly responsive features. Equipped with 11 unique backlight modes, users can adjust brightness and speed across 5 levels to create the perfect ambience for work, gaming, or late-night tasks. The double-injection ABS keycaps ensure long-lasting clarity and precise keystrokes. Designed for customization, the K671 supports macro editing, allowing key remapping, shortcuts, and combined functions to enhance productivity and gameplay. Its hot-swappable linear red switches offer smooth, low-force keypresses ideal for RPGs, MMOs, and fast-paced gaming, and the keyboard includes 4 spare switches and 2 red keycaps for easy maintenance. Full key anti-ghosting ensures simultaneous key presses register accurately, while 12 multimedia shortcuts provide instant access to media, calculator, volume control, and more. Backed by a 24-month warranty and professional customer service, the K671 combines durability, performance, and customization, making it a reliable choice for gamers and professionals alike. Now our second product is Logitech Mechanical Keyboard. The Logitech G413 SE mechanical gaming keyboard is engineered for gamers seeking precision, durability, and an elevated gaming experience. Built with heat and wear-resistant PBT keycaps, it offers exceptional longevity, maintaining a premium feel even after extended use. The tactile mechanical switches provide consistent, responsive feedback, ensuring every key press registers accurately for competitive gameplay. Its sleek black brushed aluminum top case with white LED backlighting enhances any setup, delivering both style and functionality. The G413 SE supports 6 key rollover anti-ghosting, allowing multiple simultaneous key presses without input conflicts, a crucial advantage for fast-paced games. 12 FN media keys provide quick access to volume control, playback, lighting adjustments, and Windows lock, keeping gamers in control without interrupting action. The robust aluminum magnesium alloy construction minimizes flex, providing a solid, reliable typing experience. For users seeking a compact design, Logitech offers the TKL variant, maintaining all premium features in a smaller footprint. Combining durability, aesthetics, and performance, the G413 SE is a must-have keyboard for serious gamers. Our third product is a mechanical keyboard. The F99 wireless mechanical keyboard is a versatile, high-performance tool designed for gamers, professionals, and multitaskers. Offering 3 connection modes, Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB wired, it can simultaneously connect to up to 5 devices, allowing seamless switching with FN key combinations. Its hot-swappable PCB enables effortless replacement of 3-pin or 5-pin switches without soldering, while pre-lubed linear switches deliver smooth, quiet keystrokes with fast response, perfect for gaming and typing. The F99 features 16 customizable RGB lighting effects, music rhythm sync, and macro key programming for fully personalized control. Its advanced gasket structure with PCB single key slotting and multi-layer silencer design enhances key resilience and stability, reducing cavity noise and providing a soft, solid feel. PBT keycaps ensure durability, and the compact 96% layout saves desk space without sacrificing functionality. Powered by a massive 8,000 mAh rechargeable battery, the F99 offers long-lasting performance, making it a premium mechanical keyboard for work, gaming, and creative use. Now number 4, KIST Mechanical Keyboard. The KIST KN85 mechanical keyboard redefines compact, high-performance typing with its sleek 75% layout, featuring 85 essential keys while eliminating the number pad to save desk space. Ideal for small setups, it balances functionality with aesthetics, offering a perfect solution for gamers, professionals, and students alike. Tri-mode connectivity, wired USB-C, 2.4 GHz wireless, and Bluetooth 5.0 across 3 channels, ensures seamless switching between PCs, laptops, tablets, smartphones, or gaming consoles with minimal latency. RGB backlighting with 20 dynamic effects illuminates PBT keycaps, adjustable via shortcut keys or software, while macro customization boosts productivity and gaming performance. Prelubed PSUN linear switches provide smooth, tactile keystrokes, and the hot swappable PCB allows users to personalize switches without soldering. Enhanced sound dampening with silicone pads and foam layers delivers a satisfying thoughtful typing experience. A 4000 mAh rechargeable battery powers extended wireless use, and with a 2-year warranty, KIST ensures durability and peace of mind. Combining style, versatility, and customization, the KN85 is a standout keyboard for enthusiasts seeking compact excellence, and our last choice is RK Royal Kluge Mechanical Keyboard. The RK Gasket Mount Gaming Keyboard combines premium build quality, versatility, and immersive typing experience for both work and play. Featuring a 98-key layout, it retains the full numpad, arrow keys, and essential functions while saving desk space, making it ideal for gamers and professionals alike. The hot swappable PCB supports 3 or 5-pin switches, and the prelubed linear cream switches deliver buttery smooth keystrokes with a satisfying thocky sound, enhanced by 5 layers of sound-absorbing foam. MDA profile double-shot PBT keycaps provide ergonomic comfort, durability, and long-lasting color retention. A detachable CNC aluminum volume knob allows precise control, while 4 indicator lights clearly display number lock, caps lock, win lock, and Mac mode. Programmable via the RK Online driver, users can redefine keys, record macros, and customize RGB lighting with over 20 dynamic modes. Fully compatible with Windows and Mac OS, the RK keyboard combines tactile satisfaction, robust customization, and striking RGB effects, making it a top choice for gamers, enthusiasts, and everyday typists seeking premium performance. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.